Let's go. We instantly go different ways.
This game we're playing at the Knack is a game where there's 3 secret zombies, and there's a route we must take across the field in a certain order for the humans to win.
Get away from me. Get away from me.
Fuck.
So we gotta go to red. Oh, Jesus.
Oh, fuck.
Steven, are you infected?
No.
At the edge of the woods, Robert shows himself as a zombie.
Let's go by them. They're stunned. Ah.
Steve-O just got 3 of us with his chainsaw.
Where you going? Get back here, boy. Fucking little bitch. You're not shooting anything. Oh. Get out of here, Brayden.
Okay, at this point we have the humans split up in 2 small groups. There's only a few left. Most of us were killed in that initial turning of the zombie.
Oh, he's a zombie.
Check the trenches.
Over here, over here. I'm out.
The humans now have to go to the B location, so we know where they're going.
Over here.
Hey, there's that going that way, guys.
Brain's
You guys
out.
get Brayden?
Yeah, yeah, Brain.
All right.
I almost get an axe throw kill here.
That's a good shot. You didn't even aim. Wait, ain't Brayden a zombie?
Brain is a zombie.
Yeah, we got him. That's not...
He's out of ammo, He's out of ammo, get him, surround him. We got one of them. There's only 2 humans left.
That was a miss. off button. Oh, I got it once.
I'll take it.
Forget to like and subscribe.